After making a slip knot like this, take the yarn, the lengthy side of it, which is connected with the yarn bundle. First, put the yarn above the tiny finger, and then below these two finger, and then above this finger. So it should look something like this. Okay, now you can have one or two loops around your finger like this, and use these two fingers to hold this part. So this is the critical and also kind of difficult part as a beginner, but as you practice it will come very easily. Once your muscle starts to remember this pattern, then the flow will be very smooth. I will show you once again. Take the yarn above this finger, below these two fingers, and then above this finger. Take one or two loops around it and use these two fingers, thumb finger and middle finger, to hold this slip knot right below the slip knot on the shorter end of the yarn, like this. So your hook is faced above, faced up, and your grip is like this. So now use the right hand thumb finger to hold this yarn on the loop so that it glides very smooth and it doesn't come out by mistake. Now, by holding like this, wrap your yarn around the loop. Now the direction is upwards on the hook. As you pull it, slightly slowly rotate it downwards. So this will help to create the pathway for the yarn to come out of the loop like this. Now this V shape stitch is called one chain. I'll show you once again. Like this. The hook is facing upwards. So put it under the loop. Slightly turn around. Pull it through and this will give the stitch. So now here the main point is controlling the strength of the pull. What I mean by that is when we pull the hook like this finger, focus on this finger and my hook. So when I pull it like this yarn comes to the front, and when I pull my finger back and this goes there. So the more I pull my finger, this becomes more tighter, and the more I pull here on the hook, this becomes very loose, like the loop is bigger. So the one thing we need to keep in mind is it shouldn't be more tight or more loose. As you practice, you will be able to get the right size on each stitch. All of the stitches have to be in the right pressure so that the stitches will look even. When we make mistake with the pressure of leaving the yarn, we either make the stitch a little tighter or looser. So make sure to practice a lot to get such even stitches every time.